Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make image with AI and DALLE-3. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to download this application, Bing AI Creator. You can download this application from Play Store or Apple Store. And after you have downloaded and installed this application, you can open this application. But if you don't want to download this application on your phone, you can go to the Bing AI Creator. You just need to go to your Google and then try to search for the Bing AI Creator, this one, and you can go to the Bing AI website to create image with AI. But here, since I have downloaded the Bing AI application, I'm just going to open it and I'm going to go to the Copilot, and you can write the prompt right here to create an image with AI. And I'm just going to paste my prompt. I asked ChatGPT to create this prompt, and then after we have written the prompt, we just need to send it to the AI, and the AI will generate image for us. We just need to wait for a moment. Now the image is being created. Okay, it's loading, guys. Okay, and now the image has been created, and I'm going to tap on it. Okay, and if you want to download the image, you can click on this download icon and the image will be saved to your device. I'm going to download them all. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to make image with AI in DALLE-3. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.